This is how you clean your machine at the end of the day. So what you're going to need is a screwdriver, small enough that can fit under your head. You unscrew it carefully because sometimes it's hot. You put the sour screen on the side, and then what you're going to need is your blind basket. You're going to put some Purocaf, half a teaspoon inside the blind basket. After you place in your portafilter, you can just put it back into the machine, pressing the number 1 and number 3 button almost together until you see the cleaning cycle starts counting down. On the meantime, you're gonna need a bucket with hot water and half of a teaspoon of the same Purocaf chemical that you're going to place all the parts of the machine, as the filter, the basket, and the portafilter. After the cleaning cycle is finished, what you need to do is press the 3rd button with a swirl, move it left and right a few times until the chemical is gone. Then you can place the portafilter back to the bucket with the hot water and the chemical, leave it for 5 minutes together with the steam wand. After 5 minutes, you can remove everything, rinse them very well, and put them back together. Last, what you need to do is remove the tray from the machine, go under the sink, wash it, wipe it, and put it back. Don't forget to never wipe and spray on the machine, but always wipe with a dry cloth. That way, you're always going to have a nice and clean machine for the next day.